Okay, our second technique, or another technique that we're gonna do, is called washing. Washing is a lot like dry brush. I think it's kind of one of the main pillars of painting with acrylic paints. You have working with dry brush and kind of that dry paint, or just the paint itself coming out of the bottle. Washing, if you kind of remember your definition, is either diluting that paint with water or using kind of an already wet brush to work and create your samples. Okay? So I'm gonna come here, and maybe the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get and add some water into my palette with this acrylic paint and kind of mix it together and be able to kind of see the different things that I can paint with this diluted paint. Okay. I'm keeping in mind the same things that I did with dry brush, where I'm trying to get as many different looking samples as possible. And so whether it's with the force of my brush, with my pressure, the different kind of layering that I can do, right? The idea is you're trying to get different looking samples, okay? And however you do that, it is up to you, but we don't want all of our samples kind of looking the same, okay? So our idea is trying to figure out all this different things of how these look, emphasizing that washing, right? So again, you've seen that I might just come with a wet brush and get some paint and then go ahead and see what that looks like on the paper. Or I'm coming in here and I'm actually diluting my paint, right? Mixing it up in the actual palette and then coming over and painting it on here, okay? Thinking about getting as many different samples as possible.